remember those days, those L's. I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need bad energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me.
Hi guys, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. On today's episode, we are making super easy to make, very quick, and so delicious garlic shrimp udon. Coming up. For this recipe, we are using 3 packets of Japanese style udon. They come individually wrapped in small packages. Over high heat, in a large pot, add in 3 packages of udon, just for about 30 seconds. These noodles are already pre-cooked. All we are doing is separating them out of that cake shape. You have to agitate them and get them out the water quickly. You don't want them to get saggy. As soon as the udon separate and break apart, get them out the water and place them into a mixing bowl. To the udon, add in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. This would help preventing the udon from sticking together, and it's also going to help with the flavor. Give it a toss so they're evenly coated. Now, in a large skillet over high heat, add in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once the oil is really hot, add in 2 cups of shredded cabbage. Give it a stir. We are using 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Just add a little bit splash to the cabbage. We'll use the rest later on. We're also using 1 tablespoon of sugar. For now, just use a little sprinkle on the cabbage. Those 2 ingredients are going to help caramelize the cabbage before I add everything else. Give it a toss and get the cabbage cooking. After a couple of minutes, add in 4 cloves of garlic minced, followed by half a pound of shrimp, clean and deveined. Then add in the rest of the soy sauce, and to spice it up a bit, add in 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Now add in the udon, followed by 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And the rest of the sugar. Then toss it all in and get the noodles covered in those amazing Asian flavors. And to finish it off, half a cup of finely sliced green onions. Give it one final toss and you are ready to eat. And there you guys have it, garlic shrimp udon. Enjoy. Buen provecho. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Leave me some comments down below, give it a thumbs up, and before you go, watch this delicious recipe and that other yummy recipe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.